Hey everyone! Today I'm showing you how to supercharge your Firestick with real Debrid. It gives you access to premium 4K links that load instantly. This is a game changer for movie night, so let's get it set up. Step 1. Create your account. First, you need an account. Grab your phone or computer and go to realdebrid.com. Click sign up and create a free account. Pro tip: while there is a free version, the premium plans are what you actually want for 4K streaming. They start at just a few dollars a month. Once you've paid for a plan, you're ready to link it to your Fire Stick. Step 2. Prepare your apps. Now, on your Fire Stick, make sure you have a compatible app installed like Streamio, Kodi, or Cinema HD. If you haven't yet, you will need to allow apps from unknown sources in your Fire Stick settings under My Fire TV, so you can sideload these apps using the Downloader app. Step 3. Authorize the device. Open your chosen app. We'll use Streamio or Cinema HD as an example. Go to the app settings or account section and look for Real Debrid. Click Login or Authorize. A 6 to 8 digit code will appear on your TV screen. Now, on your phone, go to realdebrid.com/device. Enter the code from your TV and hit continue. Step 4. Confirming the links. Once authorized, your app will refresh. Go search for a movie. You will now see a new links labeled with RD or highlighted in a different color. These are your premium links. Select any 4K or 1080p source and notice how it plays almost instantly with zero buffering. And now you're all set. And that's pretty much it. I hope this helped you out and I'll see you in the next one.